What's up, fam? It's your boy No Quema John. So, I just got home. The wife doesn't even know. I'm 30 years old and I'm still buying toys. You know, all the toys I wanted when I was a kid, now I'm buying them. So, I bought me a new toy. So, let's go check it out. What is it? What is it? I would look like a little kid, but hey, I'm short like a little kid, so I guess, you know. Let's go check out my new toy. We're about to unbox it real quick. She don't even know what it is. So it's a beautiful day out here. It's nice and warm. Ahí está la mamalona, the daily. So let's see, the kids don't even know. They think this is for them, but it's actually for me. Let's check out the new toy I got. So there it is. I'm surprised it fit in the Prius. Hyper Go-Go. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. Me voy a dar en la madre ahorita. Let's see what it is. Let's see. I think I'm more excited than the kids. Let's check it out. Comes with a carry bag. Power adapter.
What? I seen those. Holy cow! Holy wow! That's so big!
The new toy with the off-road wheels. No quema cut, no quema cut. We're about to go test it out. So it's the off-road Hyper Go-Go hoverboard. I've never used one. So I've seen people eat crap on them. So let's see, let's set it to charge. It's pretty heavy too. So let me read the manual and I'll try to start it up and let's see how it goes. So when you start it, this sounds louder than a lot of people's trucks, by the way. When you start this, damn, that V8 power cut. Look at them wheels. Black powder coat, camo, porque ahorita the camo is in. Let's test it out. The new hoverboard. It comes with a carry bag, which is this one. So I don't know how this bag is supposed to carry it because it's actually pretty heavy. But it comes with this Hyper Go-Go. So it's a Hyper Go-Go off-road one. So it comes with that bag. And then of course it comes with the charger. So check it out. Another nice feature on this one here, when you start it, check it out. No quema. So this one here has a Bluetooth and lights. So then, as you can see right here on my dirty phone, that's the Bluetooth there. So it has speakers. So as you guys are out there riding on your hoverboard, these are rubber wheels, so they're actually really good. And these are like steel rims. But it's pretty loud. So let's take it out. I'm gonna ride it for the first time. Hopefully I don't need crap. Dog's all excited. So let's go check it out. Okay, so it actually does fit in the bag, which is weird porque esta madre está media pesada. It's heavy and it actually does fit in there, and this bag actually unzips all the way, which is pretty cool. So then you can fit the whole thing in the bag and carry it. Once you put it in the bag, it's not as heavy. So there you go. Makes it a lot easier to carry too. Here's your brake lights. In the front, it's got little headlights. Let's test it out. Look at it. I'm like scared to get on in it. You ready? After I fell once, now I'm scared. If it hurt.
Don't fall. Careful, this way, go that way. That way. Carson, no, come this way. Carson.
Shit, it's doing donuts. It's doing donuts. I can't stop it. Okay. I can't stop it from doing donuts. Ya saben que no quema. Okay, so then this way. Okay, so then just smooth. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. I feel like a little kid. Gives me about a foot of height. Did you just see that? It's okay. It's Nathan.
I think so.
First pass. Did you get that one?
Are you okay?
Yeah, bring it back. Dude, you're gonna fall.
These are dangerous.
You're gonna fall, dude. Okay.
Jeez. I hope you didn't.
You ready for round two? Yeah. Yes, go.
So, this way?
No, from over here, from this side. See, this is the back, the red lights.
So, how do I go straight?
Yeah, you just gotta balance yourself, and then you move forward like this, and then to
Okay,
turn you
hold me.
push.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
So now stand still.
I can't. I'm gonna die.
And then you just you gotta keep your body straight, and then you use your body weight to the back and forth.
I can't. Ah! I can't even know how to get off. That thing is so dangerous. I didn't even own it.
Alright guys, so I went out there, I did it, tested out the new toy, and I got hurt. So I actually fell pretty bad. There was some people that saw me, so it was kind of embarrassing. And unluckily for me, my camera person didn't catch it, because it would have for sure gone viral. But yeah, I fell like freaking all 196 pounds of me, just straight out, boom. Dice mi mamá, azotó la res. So yeah, but overall it was fun. It's kind of scary because I'm just getting used to it. But I think with a little bit of practice, I'll get a hang of it, and then I'll be able to do those rolling shots on it. So yeah, so make sure you guys watch the rest of the videos, and I will be doing a part 2 once I get used to how to use the hoverboard. And it is the off-road one with the off-road wheels. So I'm gonna be testing it out on the dirt as well. But first I need to get used to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got a laugh from seeing me looking scared. And make sure you guys subscribe and hit the comments below. We out.